If you are in the Philippines and you have been watching YouTube, you may have already encountered an advertisement called The Burning Truth. It's essentially just a 5-second clip which says that it's a misconception that nicotine is the primary cause behind smoking-related diseases. I was curious, and so I googled their website, and the Burning Truth website basically is a very short advertisement saying the same thing, that it's not really quote-unquote nicotine being the main issue, but rather it's the act of burning tobacco creating the smoke that is primarily responsible for the smoking-related diseases. This statement is very problematic because, number one, by design, cigarettes are really meant to be burnt. You don't buy a cigarette stick and chew on it. And secondly, while this may be true, that nicotine alone is not the primary leading cause of smoking-related illnesses, it technically doesn't matter because the totality of the cigarette and the cigarette smoke, all of the hundreds of harmful chemicals in cigarette smoke will combined cause a myriad of diseases from cancer down to ulcer. Looking at the copyright of this website, a curious term called PMFTC Inc. shows up. And what exactly is PMFTC Inc.? Lo and behold, it is the Philippine affiliate of Philip Morris International. So be careful everyone, it seems that this is a new modus of Philippine tobacco companies since they are legally prohibited from outright advertising their products. It seems that the recent move is to put on this mask of being concerned citizens and launching this infomercial campaigns, but really they are just tricking us, subliminally convincing us that hey, cigarette and other derivative products are not really that harmful when in fact we all know the truth. They are. They have no redeeming factor with them whatsoever.